The K39 is a racing car designed to be on the starting line of one of America's most legendary races, Pikes Peak, a reinterpretation of the legendary silhouette of the Martini Racing team that dominated the World Sportscar Championship in the late 70s and early 80s. This is the third act in the history of Kimera Automobili. Kimera does plan to race it to the clouds in 2025. The K39 will have a sophisticated and extremely light monocoque chassis in carbon fiber with a load-bearing engine and the latest generation mechanics, with also a pushrod system both at the front and rear. Moreover, all the bodywork and cabin components will be made of carbon fiber, with a design that, while respecting the car from which it takes inspiration, guarantees consistent aerodynamic efficiency and a load designed specifically for Pikes Peak and circuit races aimed at the GT endurance categories. The engine is currently being studied and built, but Kimera is working on a twin-turbo V8 with an architecture similar to the one of the legendary LC2, the pinnacle of Team Martini Racing's sport prototype cars, which was later fitted to another equally legendary car. Kimera is also evaluating the possible application of a KERS system with MGUH and MGUK units, similar to those used on Formula One engines, with a significant power increase that should bring the power-to-weight ratio to 1:1. In the coming months, the technical package of the K39 will be completed and further details will be revealed.